Today we are here at Namik Motors to check out the prices of affordable foreign used cars for you to buy. This car is going for 13.5 million naira and is slightly negotiable. This car is going for 70 million naira and is slightly negotiable. And it's going for 20 million naira and is slightly negotiable. Go to the comment section now and tell me the type and price of car you are looking for, and I will make a video about it just for you. And it's going for 27 million naira and is slightly negotiable. Wait, don't make payment for any of these cars until you have done your physical inspection and test drive.
My name is Mr. Emeka Norma. You are welcome to Namik Autos. If you want to reach us, you can reach us at 08066.
So watch this video to the end, make a choice, and call the phone number at the end of this video to contact the dealer for inquiries and negotiation. This is a clean foreign used Mercedes-Benz GLE 450 Coupe 2016 model. It has a 360-degree camera. This is the engine, V6 engine. This is the interior, leather seat interior, the steering, control buttons, the clean dashboard, reverse camera sound system, factory fitted AC, thumb start, mouse, back AC vent and controller right here. This is the back seat view. Oh my god, this car is giving, it has a panoramic roof. 2016 model. It has a 360-degree camera, and this car is going for 75 million naira and it's slightly negotiable. This is a foreign used Lexus RS350 2016 model. Let's see the engine. This is the engine, V6 engine. This is the black ventilated seat interior, the steering, control buttons on it, the clean dashboard, Android screen, factory fitted AC, thumb start, automatic transmission, back AC vent right here. This is the back seat view. It has a panoramic roof special edition 2016 model. It has a panoramic roof and also 360-degree camera. Like and share this video. Follow us on our YouTube channel, Video Map TV. Now, and it's going for 55 million naira and it's slightly negotiable. This is a foreign used Lexus RS350 2017 model. Let's see how the engine looks like. This is the engine, V6 engine. This is the interior, the ventilated seat interior, the steering, control buttons on it, clean dashboard, Android screen, factory fitted AC, thumb start, automatic transmission, back AC vent right here. This is the back seat view. Wow. It also has a sunroof, 2017 model. It has a reverse camera right here and it's going for 43 million naira and is slightly negotiable. This is a clean foreign used Toyota Highlander 2017 model. Let's see the engine. This is the engine, V6 engine. This is the interior, the seats, the steering, control buttons on it, the clean dashboard, reverse camera sound system, factory fitted AC, thumb start, automatic transmission, back AC controller here. This is the back seat view. AC vent on the roof. It also has a third row seat for 3 persons. It has a sunroof. 2017 model. It has a reverse camera. This car is going for 32 million naira and slightly negotiable. This is a foreign used Lexus RS350 2015 model, black color. This is the engine, 2JFE V6 engine. This is the interior, ventilated seat interior, the steering, control buttons on it, the clean dashboard, reverse camera sound system, factory fitted AC, thumb start, automatic transmission, back AC vent right here. This is the back seat view. It also has a sunroof, 2015 model. It has a reverse camera and it's going for 27 million naira and is slightly negotiable. This is a foreign used Lexus RS350 2014 model. Let's see the engine. This is the engine, 2GRFE V6 engine. This is the interior, ventilated seat interior, the steering, control buttons on it, the clean dashboard, reverse camera sound system, factory fitted AC, thumb start, automatic transmission, back AC vent right here. This is the back seat view. It also has a sunshade right there. See, This is the sunroof 2014 model. It has a reverse camera and also a sunshade, and it's going for 20 million naira and it's slightly negotiable. This is a foreign used Mercedes-Benz GLK 300 Formatic 2017 model. Let's see the engine. This is the engine, V6 engine. This is the interior, ventilated seat interior, the clean dashboard, Android screen, AC automatic transmission, back AC ventilated. This is the back seat view. Wow, this car has a panoramic roof. 2017 model. It has a reverse camera. This car is going for 70 million naira and is slightly negotiable. This is a foreign used Mercedes-Benz GLK 350 Formatic 2010 model, black color. This is the engine. This is engine. This is the interior, the ventilated seat interior, clean dashboard, reverse camera sound system, factory fitted AC, the steering, control buttons, the AC vent right there. This is the back seat view. This car has a panoramic roof, 2010 model. It has a reverse camera. This car is going for 13.5 million naira and is slightly negotiable. Name 3 cars will advise people to buy today and why.
Like Lexus, Toyota Prius, Lexus, these are the cars that is movable. Advise anybody that wants to buy a car for now. Because it's a car that if any fault on the road, you can just call any mechanic to do it so I can get to your main mechanic.
What will you advise people to watch out for when buying a foreign used car?
Check the engine, check the body, the interior. So other things can follow.
Name 1 car you will not advise anyone to buy today and why.
I cannot advise anybody not to buy any car. Their choice might not be my choice. So any car I like, I can buy. Any car you like, you can buy.
Do you swap cars?
I do.
Where do you get your cars from?
All my cars come from US.
Do you rent cars?
No, I don't do renting.
Are the prices of your cars negotiable?
Yeah.
Do you accept installmental payments?
Depending on how long.
What is the price of the cheapest car you have in your dealership for now?
8.5 million. That is Sienna 2002 model.
Why are the prices of foreign used cars going up these days?
Well, in Nigeria, exchange rates, clearing are all high.
Do you do car delivery services to your buyers?
Why not? We do.
Are your cars stolen cars?
No, I don't put hand in that. I can't do that.
Please ensure that everything is working perfectly well before you make any payments. Even though you no wan buy a car, abeg like and share this video. Follow us on our YouTube channel, Video Map TV. Now.
My name is Mr. Emeka Norma. You are welcome to Namik Autos. If you want to reach us, you can reach us on 080 66 34 90 62 080 66 34 90 62. That's my WhatsApp number. You can reach me anytime. Number 32 Okota Road by Gideon Bus Stop, Esolo, Lagos, Nigeria.